Hi dear students, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I welcome all students of the world. Today's topic is continuation of the topic causes of environmental pollution, and it is a very important topic of the world, and it is also, I say, in previous lecture I have given lecture about the introduction of environmental degradation. Today's lecture is the unraveling the causes of environmental degradation, global pollution, global warming. The environmental degradation or global warming has been caused by multi-factors. The one is the developmental activities of the developed power of the world worldwide, which damage the environment due to the need of time and survival of people. They unwittingly are major powers of the world unwittingly damage our environment in order to meet the growing demands of changing world structure and human demands. The European countries embarked upon the novel road to the development for the humanity around the world. In their journey for human development, they not only killed millions of the people, but also perpetually and continuously eroded the foundation of natural ecosystem. Their pursuit ended after the end of World War II and unprecedented destruction in Europe and Japan with the dropping of atomic bombs. Following the World War II, the new states emerged on the planet Earth. The other reason is development pursued by the newly emerged countries after the end of World War II. These newly emerged nations, with the help of developed countries, followed the path of development essential for people to survive. In the same journey, they also damaging the global environment, but their share are negligible as compared to major powers of the world. Policies of economic development in newly emerged countries leads to industrialization, agriculture development, poor population, urbanization, and deforestation. Now, the role of developed or major powers of the world countries in environmental degradation. Superpowers' incessant resources demand, that is food, fossil fuels and minerals, have caused environmental degradation, and their huge carbon emission contributed and damaged the global environment. Developed countries utilized enormous resources due to their growing economic and technological needs. Their materialization of local and foreign natural resources culminated into present lethal environmental degradation. Their irrational policies contributed to environmental degradation. Their policies of consumerism and economic development left indelible and destructive effects in the world. Development of military technology and their adverse impact have damaged the environment. They have used weapons of mass destruction in the entire world since industrial revolution in entire world has also damaged environment. Their misuse of war technology has created a lot of problems for the people of world. These powers are still pursuing destructive policies without considering the collective interest of humanity. No doubt, they secured enormous achievements for humanity by their economic and technological development. No doubt, they are serving the humanity all around the world. In this way, the causes of environmental degradation can be attributed or classified to external and internal. External means global, internal means within countries of the third world countries. Global warming has brought about drastic changes in the environment of world since the industrial, scientific and technological revolutions. Earth resources are perpetually overexploited, are depleted, or reduced. Industrial revolution in European countries, USA, and recently in China and other countries of Asia, Africa has enormously damaged the environment around the globe. The people of third world countries is paying price for the catastrophe of environmental degradation, which they have never committed. The rapid industrialization, military and technological development, gases, population explosion, pesticides, radiations, deforestation, garbage disposal, or dumping of hazardous waste are the major factors responsible for environmental pollution or environmental degradation. The rapid, unplanned economic and strategic developments taking place in industrially developed or major powers are main reason for environmental degradation in the world. According to the reports of United Nations Environmental Programme, they are mainly responsible for air, water, land and noise pollution and environmental degradation. Industrial smoke has added carbon dioxide, nitrous compounds and has reduced oxygen in the atmosphere. The major greenhouse gases resulting from agricultural, industrial, forestry and other energy-related activities are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, troposphere ozones and chlorofluorocarbons, a hole that has been caused by the depletion of vital ozone by chlorine atoms released from man-made chemicals is causing fatal diseases. The hole in ozone layer discovered by American Sherry Ronald is expanding at an alarming rate. The increased level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has greenhouse effects of heat trapping. It absorbs heat from sunlight without letting it to radiate back into space. Owing to this, the world temperature is rising. The world temperature has raised to alarming stage by 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Carbon dioxide gas, which results from burning process, has damaged the ozone layer. Ozone layer is a gaseous substance in the upper atmosphere to higher altitude around the world. This layer protects the Earth from very dangerous ultraviolet rays coming with the sunlight, a hole that has been caused by the depletion of vital ozone by chlorine atoms released from manufactured chemicals is causing fatal changes. Since the industrial and scientific revolutions, Earth's resources are perpetually depleting. Due to unchecked industrial growth, lethal toxic waste is unabatedly discharged in the rivers and oceans of the world. Now, internal causes within newly emerged, less developed countries. Overpopulation is contributing to environmental degradation in the world. This has deteriorated further in the absence of well-conceived and properly planned corrective actions. Population explosion is the mother of all problems. Population explosion is creating poor infrastructure, malnutrition, poor human health, and low provision of basic amenities for teeming millions. Deforestation, growth in population, poisonous fumes and gases, atomic explosions, wars, strategic exercises by superpowers and their allies, and traffic noise all have interfered with the equilibrium balance of nature and added to the intensity of environmental pollution or degradation. Enhanced pressure on environment is due to multiplication in population, and resulting economic activities as well as changing lifestyles around the world. A high urbanization rate around the world has also contributed to pollution, which is getting more resource profligate with passing time. Poor agricultural practices have led to soil erosion, groundwater degradation, and other problems that have hindered crop output and contributed to food insecurity and spiral problems. The deforestation is also a major cause of environmental degradation, not only third world but also in the entire world. A number of environmental problems have emerged from misuse and overuse of natural resources. As a corollary or as a result, the countries of the world have become extremely vulnerable to unpredictable changes in weather and their catastrophic consequences. These changes include hotter summer, early cold spells, irregular monsoons, unexpected or untimely rainfalls, and growing frequency and intensity of floods. Monsoon rains and floods have been more ferocious than before, leaving the rural infrastructure, communication system, and above all agricultural economy in disarray. The developed countries are also badly affected by unpredictable climate change. The number of hurricanes, cyclones, droughts, floods, etc., has risen steadily since the onset of 21st century. The supervillain behind all these changes in global warming, the devastation in USA, United States of America, Canada, European countries, and Japan is also main cause of environmental degradation. There are numerous basic causes or driving forces for environmental problems in world or other countries of the world. These include emphasis on quantitative growth, lack of integration of environmental factors in planning, failure of responsible institutions to consider the environment in its totality, and lack of proper realization of resources, inadequate capacity, unsustainable consumption and production, poverty, and inequity are basic factors that undermine progress towards environmental sustainability. Economic growth provides an avenue for promoting development and reducing poverty, but it does not mean that economic success should inevitably lead to environmental degradation. Lack of sustainable use and management of natural resources, financial resources, and technology, limited development of institutional capacity through knowledge management, technology transfer, education, training, poverty, and low awareness are the major factors for or causes for environmental degradation and global warming. Environmental challenges have been intensifying with the continuous deterioration of environmental trends that are damaging the climate. These are generating energy, transport, food production, deforestation, powering industry, plastic and waste. Lack of financial resources and technology, inadequate capacity, unsustainable consumption and production, population increase, poverty and inequity are the key problems behind the issue. In addition, knowledge gap, inadequate research and development efforts, particularly on the part of private sector, and lack of consumer associations and traditions for environmentally friendly goods also pose critical menace. Abundant carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere mainly due to burning of fossil fuel and large-scale deforestation. The combustion of fossil fuel is major source of oxides of nitrogen, which further contribute to the formation of troposphere ozone layer. The most potent introduction into the mix of greenhouse gases is chlorofluorocarbon CFCs that are industrial chemicals. Wish you good luck. Next next lecture. See you in the next lecture, which will be the impact of environmental degradation in the world. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.